Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park flying field. We're going to take up the Shrike. I'm going to take her over here where I can land her in the grass because she's got a skid plate, but this particular tarmac will make the bottoms of your planes black. So I don't like to land her on that. So here we go. I remember now, if you just toss her with takeoff flaps, she'll just like lift out right out of your hand. See? Power is off. And she's gliding. The name, Sport Glider. Power's back on. Just take it nice and easy here. Take her up. Full throttle there, folks. Isn't that pretty? Well, I tell you what, you put them flaps on. Look at that, look at that. Nice presentation pass there. Yeah. Just flying around nice and slow. Taking her easy. Man, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. Coming right at me. I'm just cruising along, folks, at, I don't know, half throttle. No, under half throttle. Sorry, I have to look away. I got to figure out, I'm sure there's a way somewhere in the throttle, in the radio, where I can have it tell me what my throttle is. But I just haven't figured it out yet. All right, take the flaps off. A little rudder correction there. She did a gliding. Power back in the power now. I gotta tell you, Motion RC, this Skynetic Shrike, I'm quite impressed with it. Them lights. All right, coming right at me. Get a good look at them lights. Man, that's wonderful. There, full speed. Here, let's do ourselves a nice full speed pass here. Low, full speed. There. Sorry. Like I say, she's got no kind of stabilization at all. Just a regular DSMX receiver, 6-channel, because she does have flaps. The lights are hardwired into the wing, so you can't separate them onto a switch to where, you know, you'd want to turn them off or whatever. But there's just 2 LEDs and they don't draw any real power. Now I'm testing out a new kind of battery that I bought off of Amazon called an Ovionics brand. It's just, I'm sorry, I'm lying. No, I bought it off eBay. But Amazon does sell them too. But it's Ovionics brand. They're kind of a green and black looking battery. Just a 2200 3-cell is what's in her right now. And it's a 25C discharge. But there were two of these batteries for $24. And I know should be leery of, excuse me, you should be leery of cheap batteries. But I figured, you know, I've heard some good things about them, so I figured I'd give them a shot. You know, for $24, if one of them's still good, then I'm really not out of it. But this one here, charged it up last night, and sorry I'm far away, I know. No problem, charged up to 99% like they're supposed to, and whoa, what happened there? I think I was going too slow. I just hit some wind, I don't know. But it's a really robust plane, I guarantee you there ain't nothing wrong with it. Yeah, okay, hoping I didn't break a prop. That'd be the biggest, any damage at all. Okay, props off. Okay, props on. Okay, prop sounds fine. Got a little scuff mark there. And let's make sure, always make sure everything's working. That's all working. Okay. All right, let's put our takeoff flaps again. And oh, you gotta put power to it. Yep, she's fine. Anyways, I was too busy talking and not really paying attention. Which, there again, you know, I'm a one-man show on this. Pilot, narrator, cameraman. So, not that I'm complaining, but it does kind of, oh, look at them lights. Isn't that pretty? All right. Give her a proper landing. There you go. All right, let's put them takeoff flaps again. We got less than a minute. Real quick. For that, okay, prop off. Let's make sure when that we hit hard. Okay, good. That battery didn't rock. Didn't change positions on me. Got a little pin there, a little pushback pin, which is nice, you know. All right, let's take off one more time. You know, it should just take off in your hands there. Boy, that is a good looking bird, isn't it? I must have been going slower than I thought a while ago. All right. Well, you know, I say all right, you know what I'm going to do. You already know what I'm going to do. Look at that ant pile there. You already know. You knew I was going to do it. You knew I had to. Well, that's a good looking bird. All right there, Mr. Fat guy. You can come up with something better than saying it's a good looking bird. Okay, it's a great looking bird. How about that? Let's go around here. All right. There, that's the landing I wanted. All right. Thank you so much, folks, for watching. That's Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the Skynetic Shrike, put out by Motion RC, not Horizon Hobby, Motion RC. Yeah, I know I made that mistake in my other videos. I've always got Horizon Hobby on the brain. But that's it. That's the Shrike. $139 at Motion RC. That's the only place I know of you can get it. It's their in-house brand. I don't know any other retailers that carry them. But I ordered it on, I want to say on a Thursday, and I had it on the following Wednesday. So, you know, you can't count the weekend. So, hey, not bad. 2200 balances perfectly. Make sure my motor's off. Okay, I got a 2200 in there, and there's just a little indentation there you can kind of feel where your CG is. And look at that. Look at that. And just perfect. Okay, you can go to 1300, 1500, 1800, but a 2200 is probably about perfect. I had my timer set for 7 minutes, you know, but I'd be willing to bet I could probably get 15, 10 with throttle management. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Love on your family and your friends, and God bless.